between permutation and combination now. Okay, right, we come back to permutation. I'm going to introduce to you the factorial. Factorial. What is factorial? Now we see that when you want to arrange three objects, okay, different, cannot repeat. You arrange three different objects. It can be arranged in 6 ways. How to get 6? 3, 2, 1. 3, then you're left with 2, then you're left with 1. So it's 1 times 2 times 3. And 1 times 2 times 3 is 6. And this is 6. So if I ask you, how many ways can you arrange 4 different colors or 4 different objects in a row? Can you tell me how to arrange them? Okay, the first place in the row, how many objects can you fill up? 4.
4.
Second place?
3.
3. Then third place?
2.
2. Then the last place?
1.
1. So you can actually arrange them in so many ways. You have to multiply them up. 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 is 24. 24. So if I ask you, how many ways can you arrange 5 different colors in a row? First number here is how much?
5.
5. Then this second one?
4. 4.
4. Then
3.
3. 2.
2.
Then 1.
1.
Okay. So again, 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 is 120. Now this multiplication, they have a special name. Let's say if you have 1 times 2 times 3, the special name is 3 factorial. If you have 1 times 2 times 3 times 4, the special name is 4 factorial. If you have 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5, the special name is 5 factorial. And it is useful if you try to remember the name, the number. So you can use your calculator to calculate the factorial. Where is the thing come from, the factorial sign? It's here. Let's say I want to calculate 8 factorial. What is the meaning of 8 factorial? It means 1 times 2 times 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until 8. 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 until 8. So this 8 factorial, how to calculate using your calculator. So you type, first of all, you type 8, right? 8, then shift, then this inverse, this button here. There's a X yellow color one, X yellow color, then the exclamation mark. So 8 shift this factorial, and the answer is 40320. Okay, so can you tell me? Yes.
This way is to find what?
To find, let's say if you have 8 objects, you want to arrange the 8 objects. Cannot repeat one, cannot repeat. After using up 1, then you have 1 less. After using up, you have 1 less. It is used for arrangement. You arrange 8 objects. Any more question?
No.
No. Okay. So let's say I want you to calculate these numbers. 2 factorial, you use your calculator and see how much is 2 factorial. You use your calculator to calculate. Check the numbers here. Is it correct or not? 2 factorial. Is it 2? Do you know how to use the calculator?
Teacher.
Yes. Is your calculator the same, or yours one is the newer calculator?
It's the new one, but the button is still same.
Same button. It's the gray color one, not the black
My
color.
one is the gray color, not black.
Oh, yours is the new one. Okay.
The new one.
Jia Yan, you use which calculator? The new one or the old like mine?
Teacher, same with me.
Same. Wow, all of you using new calculator. I am out. outdated already.
Teacher, because the old calculator need
Ah,
to press many bracket, then
oh,
very susah.
okay, okay. I I think I need to buy new calculator like that. Okay, never mind. So you type and see 6 factorial. Is it the same or not? Is it 720?
Wait, teacher.
Ah,
Yeah. Yes, same teacher.
correct. Okay. Now you check last 9 factorial, the biggest one. 9 factorial, is it 362880?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now
Right.
what is the meaning of 9 factorial? The meaning of 9 factorial is 9 objects, 9 different objects. You want to arrange them in a row. How many ways are there? So it's 9 factorial. 9 objects, 9 factorial. Now let's say if I have one object, how many ways to arrange the one object? Only one object. How many ways?
One.
One. I don't have any object, zero object. How many ways to arrange them?
One.
One. No need to arrange. Then no need to arrange is one way. So now, by definition, this 0 factorial is 1. And if you don't believe, you can use your calculator. You type 0, then you type factorial and see whether it's 1 or not. Is it 1?
Yes, it's one.
Yes. Okay, so just now you asked me, hey, what is this factorial number for, right? So now I tell you, if you have n objects and you permutate n objects, then the answer is n factorial. Okay, now let's say we have 4 objects, 4 letters, okay, A, B, C, D, we have 4 letters. How many 4-letter passwords can be formed from the letters A, B, C, D? So if you want to form the password, you must use the letter A, B, C, D and you arrange them, right? You arrange them. A, B, C, D, A, B, D, C, A, B, C, D. Many ways, right? So with 4 objects, you want to permutate 4. What is the answer? What is the answer? Now there are 4 objects and you want to
20,
arrange 4 of them. What is the answer?
24.
24, correct. Why? Because the first one, there are 4 ways of filling it up.
3,
Second,
2, 1.
2, 3, 2, and 1. So they are all together 24. So this is how you use the factorial, right? Now, how many 5-digit numbers can be formed from the numbers 2, 3, 5, 6, and 9? What is the answer? How many 5-digit?
120.
120, correct. Okay, 120. So normally, even if you don't want to press the P button here, NPR button, or the factorial button, then you just type it out. 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 until 5. Then you will get 120, right? Okay, any question? Jia Yan, any question?